If you're looking for a reliable web hosting service without breaking the bank, you might be wondering if IONOS is still a good choice in 2024. With so many web hosting options out there, you might not know which one offers the best value, especially if you're just starting out or looking for something that can grow with your needs. So after doing some research and checking out what IONOS has to offer, I decided to take a closer look myself. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be getting into IONOS web hosting. We're going to get into everything that you need to know, including what it offers, how it works, their plans and pricing, features, pros and cons, and of course, my personal experience using them. So hopefully by the end of this video, you should have a pretty good idea of whether IONOS is the right hosting solution for you. And if at any point you decide to check out IONOS, I've got an affiliate link down in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so IONOS is a web hosting provider that's been around for a while, originally started in Germany back in the late 80s, and they've grown to be one of the largest web hosting companies in Europe, and ever since they've expanded globally. They offer a range of hosting services, all at competitive prices, and in 2018, IONOS went through a bit of a rebrand when they merged with a cloud infrastructure company called ProfitBricks. This merger helped them boost their cloud and hosting services even further. Alright, so the way it works is, you first start by choosing a hosting plan that best fits your needs, whether you're running a simple blog, an online store, or a high-traffic website. Once you pick your plan, IONOS gets you set up with all the essentials that you need. After signing up, you'll manage everything through their user-friendly control panel, and if you're switching from another host, IONOS offers a smooth migration service to make the transition easy. That being said, let's get into the different plans, pricing, and features IONOS has to offer so you can see what might work best for your website or online business. Okay, so IONOS offers several hosting plans to fit different needs and budgets. Their basic web hosting plans start with the Essential plan at just $4 per month for the first year, which includes hosting for one website, 10 gigabytes of storage, 10 databases, a free domain for the first year, a professional email, and daily backups. And if you need more resources, the starter plan at $6 per month supports up to 10 websites and offers 100 gigabytes of storage and 50 databases. But for those who want unlimited websites, storage, and databases, the Plus and Ultimate plans are available at $1 and $10 per month, respectively for the first year, offering enhanced or maximum CPU and memory resources. Next, for those of you looking for WordPress hosting, IONOS offers 3 plans. Start at $5 per month, grow at $1 per month, and boost at $12 per month, all for the first year. These plans come with managed WordPress updates and performance optimizations to keep your website running smoothly. If you're running an e-commerce website, IONOS has options too. The starter e-commerce plan is $6 per month, while the Plus, Pro, and Expert plans range from $1 to $44 per month for the first year, offering different levels of tools and resources for building and managing your online store. And for more advanced users, there are VPS plans starting at $2 per month, going up to $30 per month for 6 months within a 1-year term, depending on the amount of RAM, storage, and bandwidth that you need. And again, if you decide to give IONOS a try, I've got an affiliate link down in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. Now that we've covered their plans and pricing, let's go ahead and talk about what features they offer. So IONOS comes packed with several features that cater to different hosting needs, whether you're just starting out or managing a more complex site. A key highlight is the free Wildcard SSL certificate, which ensures that both your main website and any subdomains are secured. This is crucial for protecting sensitive data and building trust with your visitors. Another big plus is the automatic daily backups. These run behind the scenes, ensuring your data is safe and giving you the ability to restore your website to a previous version if needed, which really adds peace of mind, especially if something goes wrong unexpectedly. Now, for those of you who want to track your website's performance, IONOS includes SiteAnalytics. This tool helps you keep an eye on how your website is doing and gives you useful insights to improve user engagement. On top of that, with Google Sitemaps, your website will be properly indexed, helping it rank better on search engines. That said, one feature that really sets IONOS apart is the personal consultant that they assign to every customer. It's not something that you see with most hosting providers, and it's incredibly helpful if you're new to hosting or just want personalized support to make sure your website is running smoothly. And finally, IONOS offers 24/7 customer support via phone or live chat, meaning help is available whenever you need it, whether you run into a technical issue or just need some guidance. Okay, so in terms of customer feedback, overall, a lot of users are happy with the value that they get for their money. I've seen quite a few comments about how the low starting prices make it easy to start without feeling like you're making a big commitment. And people really like that most plans come with a free domain for the first year, a free SSL certificate to keep things secure, and automatic daily backups. Those are big pluses that seem to keep customers feeling safe and covered. One thing that stands out is how much users appreciate the personal consultant feature. It's not something that you see every day with web hosting companies. And from what I've read, having someone that you can reach out to for help or just to answer questions makes a big difference, especially if you're not super tech savvy or just starting out. IONOS has also received 4.6 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot based on over 23,000 reviews. Users frequently praise the company for its reliable service, great pricing, and responsive customer support. But of course, no service is perfect. And so some say that if you're used to the normal cPanel, the control panel might just take some time to get used to. It's just something to think about if you're switching from another host. Also, most people seem happy with the customer service, but some have said that they had to wait longer or had mixed experiences getting their problems fixed. Honestly, from what I've seen, most users are satisfied with IONOS, and it seems to be that the benefits outweigh the downsides. So if you're looking for something solid without spending a fortune, IONOS seems like it could be a pretty good fit. And that pretty much wraps up this review. And so after looking into IONOS, I can say that it offers a solid, reliable hosting service with plenty of features to fit different needs. Whether you're just starting out with a small blog or running a more complex website, IONOS provides good value with its competitive pricing, free domain for the first year, free SSL certificate, and automatic daily backups. On top of that, their personal consultant service is a nice bonus that sets them apart from many other website hosting services. And so IONOS is definitely worth considering if you want a hosting provider that balances affordability with a decent range of features and solid support. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you do decide to give IONOS a try, be sure to check out the affiliate link down in the description below, and you get a bit of a discount which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And as always, feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.